How to insert PDF in PowerPoint. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can insert PDF in PowerPoint. So let's just get started with the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to insert PDF in PowerPoint, you just need to head over to the PowerPoint presentation in which you want to insert the PDF to. Once that is done, at the top you can find the insert option. Just go ahead and tap on it. After that, you just need to head over to this object option from your presentation. This options. After that, go ahead and click on it. And once clicked, you'll be finding this options in your windows. So you can use up this feature, or you can find this option called Create from File. After that, click on this Browse option from here. And you can select up the document, which is your PDF, from here. So just go ahead and select up that. For example, this one right here. After that, click on OK. And once that is done, you can check mark this display as an icon option, and you can also change the icon if you want. After that, click on OK and place it right here. You can place it wherever you want in your PowerPoint presentation. Let me just make it a little bit big. And once that is done, that is how you basically insert a PDF into your PowerPoint. So that is a very easy method. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.